aisle.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very long day. I am decluttering my closet. And I'm not like all dolled up and prissy and stuff like that. Sorry if you were coming for that, because I'm not that type of person. Not while I'm in the house anyway. So I'm rocking my Moana bonnet today. My I Only Make Boys shirt from Curly Hughes. Some black sweatpants. And I'm calling it a day. So today I am cleaning out my closet. Say yay! Mommy's cleaning out her closet.
Why?
Okay, so yeah, we're cleaning out the closet. I'm just rambling, but so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything out of my closet. Nothing's gonna be on the hangers. I'm gonna go through everything of mine's and my husband's. I'm gonna take everything out of the drawers and put it on the bed. So I'm about to take all of our clothes, put them on the bed. No, don't do that.
I'm gonna kick your booty.
No.
Mommy, I'm gonna kick your booty when I get older.
You're gonna kick my butt when you get older? I would love to see you try. But I'm gonna take everything out of the closet and the drawers and put it on the bed, and I'm gonna go through it, and I'm gonna have a donate. I'm gonna have a donate and trash and keep pile. So let's get to it. So this is what we are working with today. I told myself that I was going to clean out my closet, so I pretty much just started throwing stuff on the floor. Go away, Daniel.
Seeking you multitask.
No, I can't. But this is my husband's side, and his side is actually cleaner than my side.
Bro, don't be showing my closet.
So but these are all of the clothes from out of our closet. I have shoes over here, clothes on the bed, accessories down here, purses, hats. These are all of the new clothes over there. I'm gonna make sure they're all from Forever 21 because they had came out of the bag, but I'm doing a haul pretty soon, so I know I don't want to get rid of those. So now I have to start on this. Wish me luck.
Keep donate or trash.
Donate.
Keep or donate or trash.
That's trash, baby.
So we're gonna donate the schools.
That's trash.
Keep or donate or trash.
Keep.
Keep or donate.
Give me that, because that's brand new. I gotta do a try on haul for that. That goes over there.
Keep donate or trash. Oh, mommy wore this probably when she was pregnant.
No, actually, mommy wore that the day she got married today.
Oh.
One eternity later.
I am done with all of our clothes. I have 3 piles. I have some clothes that I need to try on just in case to see if I can still fit those or not. And I gotta go through our shoes and accessories, but right now I'm about to start putting the clothes back in the closet. And then, well, first I'm gonna divide it into closet and clothes that goes in our drawer, in our drawer. And then I'm going to start putting the clothes in the closet.
Daddy.
I'm tired. But
Right
we
now.
have to put all of this, well, not all of it. Some of it go in the drawer, but we got to put it back in the closet. I'm about to empty everything. I can't even talk. I'm about to empty everything out of the closet and then organize it. So let's get started.